everybody, welcome to Shopping with Shana. So guys, it is Thursday, so it's actually June 9th, and these deals are going on from June 8th through the 14th. So we have an updated deals video. I do have a must-do deals video from Wednesday the 8th. If you have not seen that video, highly recommend you check that out. I will put it at the very end of this video so you can click that and watch it. So this particular video, I've got two updates for you on some deals from that video, but the rest of the deals in this video are all brand new. I woke up this morning, I'm checking our rebate apps, I'm checking our coupons, and doing all these things that I normally do, and we had so many good deals that I found I had to bring you a second video on Thursday. So before we get going, make sure you hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and hit all so you don't miss any of my Kroger videos, because if you love Kroger, you're going to want to make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Let's see what's happening this week with our 5-time digital coupon sale happening. So first thing we're going to do is start out with our 5-time digital coupon deals. I just have a couple of updates for you. I want to make sure you know about, but real quick, 5-time digital coupons, you can go load them right now, either in your app or go to Kroger.com and load them onto your card. These will last all the way through the 14th. They're not one and done. You can use them multiple times and multiple transactions, but you are limited to 5 products per transaction. So if you really, really want a ton of sour cream there, the Kroger sour cream, and you want to get 10 of them, just split your transactions, do 5 in each, and you can grab them for that $1.99 price. Now, the 5-time digital coupons are store coupons. You can pair them with manufacturer coupons, whether it's a digital or a print coupon, or even a insert coupon. You can also obviously pair them with any kind of rebate apps. So we get some really amazing deals here. So let's see what is going to happen. I do have 2 updates for you from my must-do deals video on Wednesday. First, let's talk about a freebie. All right, so the Colgate Renewal toothpaste that's regularly priced $7.99, it's on sale for $6.99. You want to use the $1 off 1 5-time digital coupon, as well as a 3 off 1 digital coupon. Now, the 5-time digital coupon is a store coupon. The 3 off 1 digital coupon is a manufacturer coupon. So out of pocket, you'll pay $2.99. Now, if for some reason you've already used your 3 off 1 digital, there's also a 3 off 1 from the coupons.com app. So you could apply for that one as well. So out of pocket, pay $2.99. Submit to Ibotta for $1 back on 1. It's limited 3 times. And Fetch, I just noticed it this morning. I did not notice it yesterday, so I believe it's new this morning. Fetch has 2,000 points on Colgate oral care products. So you're going to get 2,000 points back for buying this toothpaste, which is going to make it completely free. How exciting is this? So great update. Love freebies, especially toothpaste. I'm glad I didn't try to go grab this. I wasn't a big fan of paying anything. I didn't like paying $1.99, but for free, yep, I'm going to go grab this. All right, another update I wanted to give you with the General Mills cereals. So no real change of final cost price on this, but we do have something from coupons.com app. You want to make sure you submit your receipt anytime you have General Mills cereals on it, because there is a 5 back when you spend $25 in cereals. Now, usually that's after your coupons and everything like that. It can vary, I guess, with Kroger's. If you have like a printable coupon or an insert coupon that you hand over, those always go to the very end of your receipt and they don't go underneath the product, so you don't see it come off. So if for some reason you had that type of coupon that you handed over, it would give you whatever the cost of the product was. But because we're looking at digital coupons, the $1 off 1 5-time digital coupon plus the $1 off 2 digital coupon, it's going to give you that $1.49 accumulation to the $25 total. So anyway, I wanted to make you aware of that. Now, there is also a $1 off 2 digital coupon from the coupons.com app as well. So if you wanted to grab 4 cereals, you could possibly do that and get that $1 back on 2 from them as well. Okay, but update here, you want to make sure you're submitting to coupons.com app so you can get that $5 back when eventually you do hit $25. And do note that it doesn't expire until 8/15. So you basically have all summer to hit that $25 mark, which you probably can do that. So that's a really great deal. All right, now those were my 2 updates. Let's talk about Kroger deals that are happening. And all of these deals are brand new to my channel, so I can't wait to show them to you. All right, first and foremost, check your digital coupons. I had a freebie coupon for bread or buns for the Kroger brand. So check and see what you have. This will vary from account to account, depending on what you purchase pretty regularly. And then also see if you have this 200 bonus fuel points when you spend $50 or more in a single transaction. I found this one this morning and I clipped both of these so that I can go to the store and hopefully get some extra savings. And we all know I could use 20 cents off per gallon at the pump. Oh my goodness, yes. All right, so really great 2 digital coupons here. If you have something different than what I have, please put it in the comments below. I'd love to just see what different people have, what kind of coupons are possibly out there, but let me know in the comments. Okay, let's talk about this one. Really awesome deal. Now you need to grab 2 of the Intimate Little Bites. One of them has to be the mini tarts. You could do something else like the little muffins or something like that, because right now they are buy one get one free. In fact, I might even suggest that you go ahead and get 1 mini tarts and something else as far as the buy one get one free. Make sure you scan the mini tarts first, okay? I'm going to recommend you go to self-checkout so you can take your time and that you don't have a cashier that just does whatever they want. I know that's kind of hard to do. If for some reason you do decide to go through a regular line and go to a cashier, I would put the mini tarts at the very beginning of the belt and then put whatever the other product is at the very end, so you can make sure that that product gets scanned first. So they're regularly priced $5.49. They're on sale for buy one, get one. So that's why I'm telling you to do this, because whichever the second product is going to ring up as free. If the second product rings up as free is the mini tarts, then when you go to submit to fetch, you're not going to get anything back because it's going to give you 50% back for whatever you purchased it for. So you want to make sure those mini tarts are going to be very first. So out of pocket, pay $5.49. Then you can submit to fetch for 50% back, making the final cost $2.25 total, or $1.13 each, which I think is a really great deal considering these are almost $6. So really great deal here. All right, another pretty good deal here are the Popsicle fruit twisters. It's getting warm out. We all want some, cool treats. So here's a great one for you. Grab one of these. The regularly priced $5.49. You do have to pay that out of pocket, but then submit to fetch for 50% back on whatever you purchase. That's going to be $2.75 total after that. Okay, so here's another deal for you, the Klondike Bars. It can be any kind of variety. I just pictured the Reese's Peanut Butter Cup ones because those look amazing. The regularly priced $3.99, pay that out of pocket. Fetch has 25% back on any of your Klondike Bars. Final cost is going to be roughly $3. It'll take $1 off, or $2.99, something like that. So not a bad price on those. They do have the shakes for 50% back, but for some reason my Kroger does not carry the Klondike shakes. So if you're interested in the Klondike shakes, you could have a better deal there because you're going to get 50% off. All right, next deal we have is the Halo Top Fruit Pop 6 count. These are regularly priced $6.49. Woo! They're on sale for $3.99. Now you will pay that out of pocket. Then submit to Ibotta for $1 back on one. It is a limit of one time, but if you are wanting multiples of these, just wait for Ibotta to reload and then go do it again. Final cost $2.99. Over 50% savings here. I think that's a great deal. All right, need some yogurt. CG's yogurt, the single cup there, is regularly priced $1.79. It is on sale for $1.25 this week. You're going to grab one of these, pay $1.25, submit to Ibotta for $1 back on one, limit of one time. Final cost just 25 cents. Now, I will tell you, in my store, there's a little place in the refrigerated section where they do like clearance items, and these CG yogurts are always in there. And I may be saying it wrong. Am I saying it wrong? I'm sure somebody will correct me. CG is what I'm saying, but it could be pronounced something else. Anyway, these are always in that refrigerated section for clearance. So if you find a clearance for lower, you could possibly get this for free with that Ibotta rebate there. All right, next deal we have is the Adaptable Meals. These are regularly priced $9.99, on sale for $7.99. Pay that out of pocket. Ibotta has a rebate for $1 back on one, limit of one time. Again, final cost $6.99. Much, much better price than paying $10. I love it when we can get meats and produce and things like that for really, really good deals, because that's the one thing I always hear from people that are non-couponers. They're like, you can only get junk food for on clearance or on sale and stuff like that. You can only get those types of deals. That's not true. Look at this. We're getting meats for a decent price. We sometimes see fruits. In fact, Meijer just the other day, really amazing deal on blackberries. So it just depends on, the deals. They're different each week. And so sometimes you get really great deals on some healthier foods. And a lot of times you can get really great deals on junk food. But that's okay. It just depends on how you want to coupon. Next, Welly First Aid Kits and Bandages. Now, it does have to be at least 8 count or larger according to the Ibotta rebate, but the one I have here is regularly priced $7.99. It's on sale for $7.49 at Kroger. Pay that out of pocket, then you can submit to Ibotta for $1 back on one, limit of 5 times. Final cost $6.49. This isn't I don't know if this is a new product, but this is a new Ibotta rebate for sure. And I wanted to show you the deal here, and the bandages look amazing. They look like so much fun for kids. But anyway, 48 count there of bandages for just $6.49. Not a bad deal. If you are wanting some coffee deals, we have a great one here with Green Mountain Coffee Roasters Brew Over Ice K-Cup 12 count. That is a mouthful. But these are regularly priced $8.79. They are on sale this week for $5.99. You're out of pocket, that's what you'll pay, but then you can submit to Ibotta for 3 back on one. It's a limit of 1 time. Of course, it could reload for you if you want to do this multiple times. Final cost is going to be $2.99. So $3 instead of almost $9. It's almost a $6 savings. Really, really great deal here. All right, so we do have a deal on the Dr. Pepper 12-pack. Now, I will tell you there's this 2 off 10 digital coupon. You can use it on any kind of Pepsi or Frito-Lay products. So it may pop off first because it's a higher value, but we do have a $1 off 3 digital coupon specifically for the Dr. Pepper this week. Just like we had a $1 off 3 specifically for the Mountain Dew Spark this week as well. So anyway, you could pay as low as $10.88 for these 3 or $3.63 each, or it could be just the $1 off digital would be $11.88 for the 3 packs there. Grab 2 of the Aspa-Cream 3 ounce. They're regularly priced $6.49. There's a lot of these Aspa-Cream products that are more like 8 something. I think $8.99 on sale this week. But this 3 ounce one is $5.99 on sale. There is a buy one, get one coupon in Smart Source 6.5, or you can use the $1 off 1 digital. If you're going to use the buy one get one, which is what I would recommend, make sure that digital is unclipped. Don't have it clipped into your account because it will come off and then you'll have a hard time using the buy one get one. Final cost is going to be $5.99 total for 2 of them, or just $3 each, which is a great price. All right, guys, 5-time weekly digital deals. I have a whole bunch of them in my Must Do Deals video from Wednesday. Go check that out because we have a great deal on the bacon. We have a great deal going on the sparkle paper towels. I'm trying to think what else there was in that video, but I do have an extra weekly digital matchup for you that just popped up this morning, and I think you might be excited about it. Speaking of health food. All right, so the Zespri Sun Gold Kiwi Fresh Fruit, the 1 pound, is regularly priced $4.79. It's attaching to the $3.47 each 5-time weekly digital coupon. So out of pocket, pay $3.47. Then you could submit to Ibotta for $1 back on one. It is a limit of 2 times. You could actually pick up 2 of these in the same transaction and just pay $2.47 each. What an awesome, awesome deal for you. Like I said, you can coupon for healthy food if you're looking for it. So you do not have to coupon for just nasty junk food, although I love nasty junk food. Okay. Okay guys, that's all I have for you. I hope you like this updated deals video. Make sure you go watch that Must Do Deals video from Wednesday to catch all the other deals that are happening this week. Guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give it a great big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, share it with a friend. Join me on social media. They're all linked in the description box below. Have a wonderful week and I'll see you later. Bye guys.